Hey everyone, welcome back to By Ambition. In this video, I'll show you how to remove extensions in the Brave browser. Removing extensions can help improve performance and remove tools you no longer need, so let's get started. Step 1. First, open up the Brave browser and computer, which I already have right here. Step 2. Click the three lines in the top right corner and then go to Extensions and click Manage Extensions. Step 3. Find the extension you want to delete. In today's video, we're going to delete this Grammarly app right here. Step 4. Click the Remove button next to extension. Step 5. Click Remove again to confirm. And that's how you remove extensions in Brave browser. If this video helped, like this video, subscribe to By Ambition, and I'll see you in the next one.